In this video, I will tell you how to increase your internet download speed on Windows using several simple methods that can help fix slow downloads and background internet issues. First, open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Then select either Ethernet or Wi-Fi depending on what type of connection you are using. Make sure the option called metered connection is disabled because when this feature is enabled, Windows limits background data usage and can sometimes reduce download performance. After that, go back to the main network and internet section again and open Advanced Network Settings. Then click Data Usage. It is a good idea to change the filter to last 24 hours so you can clearly see which applications have been using your internet recently. Sometimes programs running in the background download updates or sync files without you even noticing, which can slow down your main download significantly. If you notice suspicious or unnecessary applications using too much bandwidth, close them or disable their background activity. The next method uses Control Panel. Open Control Panel and set View by to large icons so all options are easier to see. Then open Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Find your internet connection or Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it, and open Properties. Inside the list, click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and then click Properties again. At the bottom, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the DNS values exactly like I show in the video. Faster DNS servers can sometimes improve connection responsiveness and help stabilize downloads. The final step is opening Command Prompt as administrator. Type the command at config/flushdins and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache stored by Windows and can help refresh internet routing issues. After completing all these steps, your internet download speed should improve, especially if the slowdown was caused by background activity, DNS problems, or incorrect network settings. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.